Okay, guys, we finally have something real to look at. Not just sketchy rumors from a random forum, but actual CAD-based renders. These are apparently the blueprints sent out to case makers, so they can start manufacturing, which means this is probably exactly what the iPhone Fold is going to look like. And now that we can see it, those weird dimension rumors we've been hearing, yeah, they suddenly make a lot of sense. And frankly, they're a little controversial. First off, the good news. Apple is clearly allergic to square screens. When you pop this bad boy open, you are instantly in landscape mode. It's nearly 168 millimeters wide, giving you a 7.76-inch inner screen that it's not a tall scrolling phone. It's basically a mini iPad that you can fold in half. And honestly, that's genius for watching movies. No more black bars the size of Texas on the top and bottom of your screen. Plus, it means developers might just be able to port their iPad apps over without having to rebuild the entire universe. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. Literally, the folded width of this thing is 83.8 millimeters. Put that in perspective, the current Pro Max, which is already a brick, is about 78 millimeters wide. This fold is almost 6 millimeters wider. Unless you play for the NBA, using this thing one-handed is going to be an adventure. You're not reaching that far corner with your thumb. You just aren't. It changes the vibe completely. It feels less like a phone that opens up and more like a tablet you're desperately trying to shove into your pocket. On the inside, though, Apple is getting fancy. The renders show an under-display camera. Now, we know Apple doesn't usually do experimental tech. If they're putting a camera under the screen, it means they're confident you won't look like a blurry potato on FaceTime. Spin it around to the back, and it's surprisingly chill. No giant stovetop camera island. Just a clean, oval-shaped dual camera setup. It looks a lot like the leaked iPhone Air designs. Very demure, very mindful. The verdict? This is definitely the Google Pixel Fold approach, not the tall, skinny Samsung approach. Google proved that the passport shape is actually really nice to use, but Apple is pushing the width to the absolute limit here. But I gotta know, is 84 millimeters too wide for you? Or are you ready to embrace the two-handed lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you like the update, hit that sub button. Catch you in the next one.